What's up, y'all? It's Julian Clark, aka the Prodigious CEO, and I'm here to talk to y'all about how to make money online. Now, the opportunity that I'm about to explain to y'all is for everybody, but then again, it's not for everybody because some people still don't have that mindset on how to be an entrepreneur and how to stay in business and how to believe in themselves. But if you have those traits, then this will work out for you. Now, the opportunity that I'm explaining is Motor Club of America, MCA for short. So before I tell you about the marketing things that you have to do, I'm gonna just give you a little background. So Motor Club of America has been around since 1926, been helping people since then with unlimited roadside assistance and with over $150,000 worth of benefits, and it is owned by TVC Marketing. Now, with it being unlimited, you can call them literally every single day for roadside assistance. Unlike these other companies that you may have to only call them 3 times a year. And after those 3 times, you can't call for roadside assistance anymore. You have to wait for next year. But see, with Motor Club of America, like I said, it's unlimited. And with the benefits, it comes with a whole lot of benefits. Now, I'm going to only discuss 3 of them. If you want to see the rest of them, then click the link in the description below, the link that I'll provide, and it will show you a website that I put together so it could show you the benefits and you can see whether you want to invest your money in it or not. But one of the benefits is discounts. These discounts will apply to dental prescriptions, drug prescriptions, and anything vision-wise when you go to the doctor and you ask for prescriptions, whether it's contacts or eyewear, etc., etc. Number 2 is $500 toward a rental cost. So let's say if you break down during a road trip or something like that, you may need a rental car, so MCA will send you up to $500 toward a rental car. So you may use the $500 or you may use that as part of the price or whatever. Number 3 is $1,000 towards your credit card protection. So let's say if you got robbed, you don't know where your card is, you probably misplaced it or lost it, MCA will give you up to $1,000 towards your credit card. So when you link your credit card with Motor Club of America, they will give you $50 for each card you link up with Motor Club of America until it reaches $1,000. The next thing is, how do you get paid? Here's what MCA does. MCA measures what you do from Sunday to Saturday. They measure all the sales you make from Sunday and Saturday. If you make 5 sales within that week, MCA will pay you $400 direct deposit the following week. That's how it goes. You get paid every Friday weekly. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to other people who have invested their money into MCA and came out with the best results and have also used roadside assistance plus the benefits.
All it takes is 40 bucks to start, 20 a month, get you unlimited towing. Good question, boss.
Yeah?
Who sent you, man?
MCA.
MCA? Appreciate it. Appreciate it. There you go, people. MCA. If you wanna trying to get in, let me know. Message me, inbox me. Alright.
This is the people who came to help me do my car from MCA. What's up, Chief? Roadside.
You need to unlock the vehicle, right? Left the keys inside?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay.
Well, I hope you don't mind. I'm doing a little, proof video to show that this program that I signed up with actually works,
Yes.
Let me ask you a question, Chief. How much would this have cost me, if I didn't have the company?
About 40 bucks, 50
40
bucks.
40 bucks,
Yeah.
40, 50 bucks. You hear that, folks? 40, 50 bucks. It cost me 40 to sign up. That paid off for 2 months, $20 a month, you know what I'm saying? Basically, instead of paying this and not getting the other 150,000 benefits, this is what I'm getting to, man. You know, this is great, man. This service don't play, you know. Oh, say that again.
Your cover, of course.
What?
Hey, take care.
I don't have to sign nothing.
No,
I'm good.
You're good.
All right, but thanks a lot, man. Y'all see that shit? MCA, man. I mean, let's be real, yo. Y'all heard that $40 to $50 that I would have to pay to have him come out and do this. Came out. He gave me something. I didn't give him nothing. He gave me something. He gave me a card. It's real, man.
So what you're looking at is my Mercedes-Benz loaner. Yesterday I drove out to Tampa, Florida for specific reasons, and my Mercedes broke down, and so I had to actually, luckily I was near a Mercedes dealership, and they took the car into service. And so we're going to see how real MCA is. Everybody calls it a scam. Well, let's just see. We're going to find out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead now and drive the loaner vehicle back to Mercedes-Benz of Tampa. As you see, I am back home in Orlando. It's my house. But and then we're going to go ahead and just try to make it happen and see what happens. All right. All right, so can you confirm with me who's taking care of the tow?
MCA, Motor Club of America. Everything's good to go, paid in full.
Okay, having the car towed back from Tampa to Kissimmee, where I live, and that's it, guys. So, you know, this is a legit service. This is what in our company simply pays people to work from home. To sell the roadside assistance. Instead of paying for TV commercials, TV ads, things like that, we as members, we are protected with all the benefits, and we can sell the benefits from home. And that's really what it is. That's all it is. And this is a company I've been with for 2.5 years. This is my first time using the roadside assistance. I mean, because, you know, I got a newer type car, so, but, you know, it's got a transmission problem, you know, cars mess up, it is what it is, so, but they're gonna fix it for free, because I paid a lot of money. So whatever the problem is, they're gonna have to take care of it. So y'all want an MCA membership so you can get this, and they're towing my vehicle over 80 miles. 80 miles, I don't have to pay for it, you know, so there you have it.
Now that you've seen the people that have invested and that are satisfied with MCA, you cannot go wrong with investing your money into MCA. Now, the price to get your membership started is $40 plus $20 a month after that. Now, that may seem a bit too much, but if you think about it, if you sign someone up, just one person a month, basically MCA is paying the $20 monthly fee for you. All you have to do is, that's just off of one person, $80. When you get the $80, not only you're getting your $40 back, but MCA is also going to pay the $20. So you're good. So basically you're getting a $60 profit from that month. And then the next month is just going to be $20. And then you get a $60 profit from that. So that's how it's going to be each and every month when you're going to have to pay the fee. MCA will pay the fee as long as you're making sales. You will never have to pay the fee out of pocket. So with all that said, all you have to do is sign up. The link is in the description below. And if you're looking for more information on the details on what the benefits are, all of that is in the website that I'm going to provide for you in the link in the description. And make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. That's going to be in the description box below too. Hope to see you there. If you feel that this isn't for you, don't worry. We provide training. I will provide you training once you sign up. That is also said in the link in the description too. I will provide you training once you sign up. So it'll be step-by-step training. It's easy to understand. All you have to do is implement it into your business, and then you'll be good. You'll be making sales like crazy once you finish the training and start implementing it. And also, it's also good for you to find different methods to find out what works best for you, because what I provide for you, what you find on your own may be better than my training. So if that happens, no good for you. But the key is to be ambitious. You have to be ambitious with this. Because you could be somebody who's viewing this video who doesn't like the job they're in now, who's probably struggling with financial issues, who probably doesn't even have a job, or they just don't like their job in general because the employees or the boss or whatever. you have to remember why you're here. You have to remember why you're applying for MCA, because you want to spend more time with your family. You want to quit that job that you hate so much. You want to go on more vacations. You want to live life to the fullest. With MCA, you can do that. You just need to be willing to put in the work. Put in the work, stay ambitious, and stay positive. So if you got all that down, all that's left to do is to sign up. Click the link in the description, and then I'll see you on the other side.